As always, first things first, we need a background color for this design. So I'm using number 43 from Ugly Duckling, and it is our pure black. And just like in the first video, we are using Ugly Duckling gel polish number 13 again to mimic those beautiful stars in outer space. And once you have fully cured number 13 gel polish, you're going to go in and you're going to use Clear Schmelt It by Ugly Duckling. You're going to do a thin layer, and you are not going to cure this. I repeat, do not cure. Now I'm taking my trusty Detailer 2 brush and I've loaded it with a little bit of Ugly Duckling gel polish in 138. This is a really vibrant, deeper teal kind of color, not too dark, but it's perfect for creating that colorful galaxy. So all I'm doing is I'm kind of stringing it through the uncured Schmelt It, and Schmelt It is designed to melt your gel polish, not literally, but it reacts with gel polish and it kind of creates that faded, almost watercolor wash kind of look. So this is doing a lot of the work for me, and all I'm doing is kind of placing it on and going back and tapping it out and helping diffuse that a little bit more. I'm not going to overwork it because I want some of that definition from the Schmelt It that's kind of created those veins and everything, and it's giving us that look of the galaxy or like a nebula or something like that. I think that's the right terminology, I'm not too sure. Okay, so once we've fully cured that last layer, we're going to go back in and we're using Clear Schmelt It again. I'm doing another thin layer, and then I'm going to put a little bit of gel polish color number 134 on my Detailer 2. This is an awesome, vibrant kind of fuchsia purple color. I'm not adding quite as much on the nail as I did with 138 because I want that blue to really pop through and I don't want the purple to overpower it. So I'm doing the same step as before. I'm just plopping some down on the nail, and then I'm kind of tapping it out, moving it around and diffusing it a little bit. But I'm trying not to overwork it because I still want some definition. I don't want it to be completely blended out. Once you're happy with that layer, you're going to pop it in the lamp for a full cure. Cure that bad boy, won't ya? You guessed it, one last layer of Clear Schmelt It, again keeping it thin. We don't want to add too much bulk to this nail. And now I'm going in with my trusty Detailer 2 and the beautifully crisp number 44 gel polish. This is our white gel polish from Ugly Duckling, and I'm adding just a little bit, and you can really see the Schmelt It at work here with the white. You can see it diffusing it. I love this effect. Schmelt It is great for so many different art techniques. It's awesome for people who don't necessarily feel comfortable with painting certain things because it does a lot of the work for you. So this is my go-to when creating a galaxy nail now. I reach for this all the time because it does a lot of the work for me. And you can do some really awesome color combinations. It's just awesome. It's fun stuff. So I fully cured that, and now I am going in and I'm adding some stars, more stars, bigger stars than the holographic silver ones that we added before we started painting our galaxy. So I've got the tiniest amount of white on my tip of my brush, and I'm just lightly dotting here, there, and everywhere. You can add as little or as many of these stars that you want. It depends on how many you like. And again, you're going to cure this before our next step. Okay, so now I'm sealing this nail with my Ugly Duckling matte top coat, of course. I like to seal designs like this with matte just because I find that it really shows off the brush strokes, the swirls, the different dimensions in the nail. So I really like this design matte. Now I'm going in and I'm wiping off that dispersion layer, revealing that velvety matte finish. And up close you're going to see in a second all the different swirls of color. It looks really neat. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the likes and the comments you guys have been leaving on my videos lately. I really enjoy making them for you, so I hope you are enjoying watching them. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!